The universe is stealing our future. Right now, as you watch this, galaxies are being ripped away from us, not by black holes, not by gravity, by something far worse, and there's absolutely nothing we can do to stop it. We like to think that space exploration is just a matter of time and technology, right? Build better rockets, develop faster engines, figure out warp drives or wormholes, and eventually humanity spreads across the stars. That's the dream. That's what every sci-fi movie has been telling us for decades. But there's a problem, a massive, invisible, unstoppable problem that's been working against us since before humans even existed. It's called dark energy, and it's not just making the universe bigger, it's actively erasing our future, taking away galaxies that we might have reached someday, and pushing them so far away that they'll be gone forever. Today, we're going to talk about the ultimate thief, the force that's quietly stealing the cosmos from us one galaxy at a time, and why, no matter how advanced we become, we're running out of universe to explore. Here's the thing most people don't understand about the expansion of the universe. It's not just that space is getting bigger, it's that the expansion itself is speeding up, accelerating, getting faster every second. And that acceleration is caused by dark energy, this mysterious force that makes up about 68% of everything in the universe, but that we know almost nothing about. We can't see it, we can't touch it, we can only see what it does. And what it does is push space apart, everywhere, all the time, with more and more force. Now, you might think, okay, so the universe is expanding faster. That just means it's bigger, right? More space to explore. No, it means less. Because when space expands faster than the speed of light, which it already does at large enough distances, anything beyond that point becomes unreachable forever. Not really hard to reach, not we'll need better technology, unreachable. Physically impossible to ever get to. That boundary is called the cosmic event horizon, and it's shrinking. Every day, galaxies cross that line and disappear from the reachable universe. They're still out there, we can still see them for now, but we'll never be able to visit them, never be able to send a signal to them, never be able to interact with them in any way. Dark energy is a thief, and it's stealing the universe from us piece by piece, faster than we could ever hope to explore it. Let's start with the basics. What is dark energy doing exactly? In 1998, two teams of astronomers were studying distant supernovae, exploding stars that are so bright they can be seen from billions of light years away. They were trying to measure how fast the universe was expanding and whether that expansion was slowing down over time. Everyone assumed it would be slowing down. Gravity pulls things together, right? So even though the universe was expanding, gravity should be putting the brakes on, slowing it down, maybe even reversing it someday. But that's not what they found. The universe wasn't slowing down, it was speeding up. The expansion was accelerating. This discovery was so shocking, so completely unexpected, that the scientists who found it won the Nobel Prize, because it meant there was something pushing the universe apart, some kind of energy that was stronger than gravity, and it was winning. We call it dark energy because we have no idea what it is. It's dark because we can't detect it directly. We only know it exists because of what it does to space. And what it does is terrifying for anyone who dreams of exploring the cosmos. Here's how the cosmic event horizon works. Space itself is expanding, not the things in space. The actual fabric of space-time is stretching. And the farther away something is from you, the faster the space between you and it is expanding. At a certain distance, about 16 billion light-years away, the expansion becomes faster than the speed of light. Now, nothing can move through space faster than light. Einstein's laws still hold, but space itself doesn't care about speed limits. It can expand as fast as it wants. So if a galaxy is far enough away that the space between us and it is expanding faster than light, then even if we sent a beam of light toward that galaxy right now, traveling at the maximum possible speed, it would never arrive. The space would be expanding too fast. The light would be running on a treadmill that's moving faster than it can run. That distance, where expansion overtakes the speed of light, is the cosmic event horizon, and anything beyond it is gone from our future. Not our view, not yet, but our future. We can still see the light that left those galaxies billions of years ago, but we can never reach them, and eventually we won't even be able to see them anymore. Here's where it gets really depressing. The cosmic event horizon isn't static. It's not like there's a fixed boundary and everything inside it is safe. No, the boundary is shrinking. Every second, galaxies that were barely within reach slip over the edge and become unreachable. And once they cross that line, there's no coming back. Right now, we can still see about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, but the reachable universe, the part we could theoretically visit if we could travel at the speed of light, contains way fewer galaxies, and that number is dropping. Scientists have calculated that if we don't leave our local group of galaxies soon, and by soon I mean in the next few billion years, we'll be stuck here forever, because everything else will have moved beyond our reach. Imagine being on a ship in the middle of the ocean, watching other ships sail away in all directions, except the ocean is growing. The distance between you and those other ships is increasing, and at some point, those ships cross a line where they're moving away so fast that you could never catch up to them, even if you had the fastest boat in the world. That's what's happening to us. Except we're not on a ship, we're on a planet, and the ocean is the universe itself. Let's talk about what's actually being stolen from us. Dark energy is taking away our access to trillions of galaxies. Each of those galaxies contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets. Some of those planets might have life. Some might have civilizations. And we'll never know, because they're already too far away, already unreachable. If there's an alien civilization in a galaxy that's beyond our cosmic event horizon, we will never meet them. We will never communicate with them. They could be looking at us right now, wondering if anyone else is out there, and we're looking at them, wondering the same thing. But we'll never connect, because the universe itself is in the way. And it gets worse, because dark energy doesn't just affect other galaxies, it affects our understanding of the universe. In the distant future, trillions of years from now, the only galaxies left in the observable universe will be the ones in our local group. Everything else will have been pushed so far away that their light will never reach us. An astronomer living in that future would look out at the universe and see nothing but their own galaxy and maybe a couple neighbors. They'd have no evidence of the Big Bang, no evidence of cosmic expansion, no evidence that the universe was ever any different. They'd think they were alone, that their galaxy was the entire universe, and they'd have no way to know otherwise. Dark energy is erasing the history of the cosmos, taking away the evidence, leaving future civilizations isolated and ignorant. So here's the situation we're in. If humanity wants to explore the universe, if we want to visit other galaxies, meet other civilizations, see what's out there, we have a limited time window to do it. Not limited by technology, limited by physics. Every second we wait, the universe we can reach gets smaller. Galaxies slip away. opportunities disappear. And right now, we're nowhere close to leaving our own solar system, let alone our galaxy. The nearest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. With our current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to get there. The nearest galaxy outside our local group, the Virgo cluster, is 65 million light-years away, and it's moving away from us at over 1,000 kilometers per second because of the expansion. We're not even in the race yet. We're still standing at the starting line, and the finish line is moving away from us faster than we could ever hope to run. Some people talk about generation ships, massive spacecraft that could travel for thousands of years, with whole populations living and dying on board. Others talk about suspended animation or uploading human consciousness into computers, all kinds of sci-fi solutions. But even if we figure all of that out, even if we build ships that can travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light, we're still limited by the cosmic event horizon. There's a maximum distance we can travel, and that maximum is shrinking. Dark energy has set a timer on our cosmic ambitions, and the clock is ticking. The worst part about all of this? There's no solution. You can't turn off dark energy. You can't slow down the expansion. You can't create a bubble of stable space where the expansion stops. It's built into the fabric of the universe. It's everywhere, and it's not going away. Some scientists have proposed wild ideas. Maybe we could manipulate dark energy somehow. Maybe we could create wormholes to bypass the expansion. Maybe we could find a way to travel faster than light without breaking causality. But all of that is speculation, pure science fiction. We don't even know what dark energy is, let alone how to control it. The universe is governed by rules, and one of those rules is that dark energy wins. It's stronger than gravity, it's relentless, and it doesn't care about our dreams of exploration. We're stuck in a shrinking bubble of reachable space, and there's nothing we can do about it. Let's fast forward to the far future, trillions of years from now. By that point, the Milky Way and Andromeda will have merged into a single giant galaxy. The other galaxies in our local group will have merged too, and everything outside that will be gone. Not destroyed, just gone, pushed so far away by the expansion that their light can't reach us anymore. The sky will be empty, dark, silent. A civilization living in that era would have no idea that the universe was ever full of galaxies. They'd look out into space and see nothing but their own stars. They'd have no evidence of cosmic expansion, no evidence of the Big Bang, no evidence that anything exists beyond their little island. They'd be cosmically alone, and they wouldn't even know what they'd lost. That's where we're headed, a universe where knowledge itself is stolen, where the evidence of our cosmic history fades into darkness, where future generations inherit a smaller, lonelier universe than the one we have now. Dark energy isn't just stealing galaxies, it's stealing context, stealing perspective, stealing the ability to understand where we came from and what the universe really is. And there's no stopping it. Here's the moment that really hits me. Right now, right this second, we are living in a golden age of cosmic visibility. We can see the afterglow of the Big Bang in the cosmic microwave background. We can see galaxies from when the universe was less than 1 billion years old. We can trace the history of cosmic expansion and piece together how we got here. But this window is temporary. It's already closing. Every year, a little more evidence disappears. A few more galaxies slip beyond the horizon. A bit more of the cosmic web unravels. Future civilizations won't have what we have. They won't be able to see what we can see. They'll be born into a universe that's already been robbed of its richness, its diversity, its history. We are the lucky ones. We get to see the universe while it's still full, while the evidence is still accessible, while the sky is still crowded with light from distant galaxies. But we're also the generation that knows we're running out of time, that the universe we dream of exploring is shrinking, that our descendants, no matter how advanced they become, will inherit a smaller cosmos than ours. Dark energy is the ultimate thief, not because it takes things violently, but because it takes them slowly, quietly, inevitably, one galaxy at a time, one piece of the cosmic puzzle at a time. And there's nothing we can do but watch. Let's bring it all together. Dark energy is a mysterious force that makes up 68% of the universe. It's causing the expansion of space to accelerate, and that acceleration means that distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. At a certain distance, the cosmic event horizon, galaxies become unreachable. Not difficult to reach, impossible to reach. And that horizon is shrinking. Every day, more galaxies cross the line and disappear from our future. We're trapped in a bubble, a shrinking bubble of reachable space that contains only a tiny fraction of the observable universe. And no matter how advanced our technology becomes, we can't escape it. We can't outrun the expansion. We can't turn off dark energy. The universe we dream of exploring, the one full of trillions of galaxies and countless stars, is being stolen from us, piece by piece, galaxy by galaxy. And in the distant future, when dark energy has finished its work, the cosmos will be empty, dark, lonely. Future civilizations will look out into space and see nothing but their own galaxy, with no idea that the universe was ever anything more. Dark energy isn't just taking away places we might visit someday. It's taking away knowledge, context, the ability to understand the universe as it really is. We're living in a special time, a time when we can still see the full richness of the cosmos, but that time is ending, and what comes after is a long, slow descent into cosmic isolation. The ultimate thief doesn't steal with violence. It steals with patience, and it always wins. If this made you rethink everything, the next video will completely break your brain. Go watch it now.